I'm taping this.
So I gotta go like this. Say, I am the yeast infection! Do it!
I am the yeast infection! Ow! I am the yeast infection!
No, I
am the yeast infection!
Oh my god.
That was fun.
You can put it out now, yeast infection.
No.
Oh, put it on your vagina.
Oh crap, look at all the smoke coming off.
Yeah.
I'm gonna light my vagina on fire, you guys.
Your vagina hairs.
Maybe I don't have any
My
vagina hairs.
Oh, do a tribal dance and like get it to rain or something.
Yay!
You should.
Alright, well, yeah, I have to put it out first.
Throw it down.
Just throw it down in the sand. Sand puts it out.
You're like, well, bam!